Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 traveler's notebook page that I titled First Day of School, and I'm using this paper or this collection, I Love School from Echo Park, and it's a digital version of it. So I prepared everything and printed it out, and then now I'm ready to arrange it. So I ran a card along the edges of everything that is a straight edge, not the circles, but anything that's a straight edge, just to distress the edges, and works. It plays nicely with the shadows, and the papers just pop off the page a lot better. It looks better. And then I have I have this paper piece, and then the circle that I just used one of my circle dies to cut it out, because I like the dimension that dies give to the paper. And then I have this photo basically that I am then gluing on top there, and then I have these little embellishments that came with this collection. I just printed them out, cut them out, and again ran a card along the edges to distress the edge. This is one of the journaling cards that comes with this collection, but again, the nice thing about working with a digital version is that I can resize everything exactly to the size that I want it to be, especially reducing size works well, obviously. Here's that little apple that was a decoration piece, or one of the embellishment pieces, and I just decided to cut it out with a circle die to make it a little circular element. I love the way it turned out. And then I have these flowers that I just die cut from just red cardstock, and then put a little black bling in the middle, in the center there. And I have this little paper flag that will go up in the corner there. And then all I need to do, I have some word strips that I have for school. I have been working on creating another full school themed sheet. So right now I'm working with I had a whole just a sheet of paper with various themes. So I created this, but I do share my word strips with people, so as freebies on my blog MistyHilltops.com, along with many other things. So if you're interested in picking up some freebies, you should check it out. So here I am placing these word strips somewhere on the page there. I didn't want to put, usually a lot of times I put 3 clusters of word strips, but for this page I just decided it would be enough to just have this little cluster there with the word strips and not go too crazy. Besides, I did not have more school-themed word strips ready, so I need to just print them and cut them, and then I have a whole bunch more that I can use, and I will be sharing at some point. So here, the title, I just stamped it. I think it's an Altenew kind of stamp, and then I'm adding a little flower there. So this is my page done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.